Okay, for question 1a, draw the image of shape A after a translation by the vector of 8, negative 6. Okay, so it's A to the right. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 6 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got there. And 3 up. Yep.
Question B. Draw the image of shape A after reflection and the line y equals to negative 1, which is like this. Okay, so then it goes like this. So it's 3 blocks. So 3 blocks here also. And this is the base. This was the height. And then connect.
Okay, for question 1c, describe the Fourier single transformation that maps shape A onto shape B. Okay, so shape A to shape B. It's definitely an enlargement. Shape A to B, yep. So it must have a scale factor of bigger than 1. I'll just use it. Yep, they meet at this point, which is negative 5, 5. And enlargement with a scale factor of, okay, let's say the bottom part seems like the smallest, but becoming 3, so it's of 3. Center negative 5, 5. Yeah.
Question D. Describe the Fourier single transformation from that maps shape A onto shape C. Firstly, it's definitely a 90 degrees rotation. Now, like this, so like this. So it sort of flips this way. Shape A to C. Yeah. So it flips this way. So it's a clockwise rotation. And then now for the coordinates. Wait.
Somewhere around here.
Can't be around here, lah, Johnny.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, it has to be somewhere around there. So, like this, which is 4, 1, and like this, which is 1, 4. Okay. Got it. So the answer is at 1, 1. At 1, 1. Oop, I drew the answer on the wrong side. Okay.
Okay, for question 2a, a plane has 14 first class seats, 70 premium seats, and 168 economy seats. Find the ratio first class seats to premium seats to economy seats. Give your answer in its simplest form. So it's 14 to 70 to 168, which can be divided by 2. And then it can be divided by 7. Which would give us 125 to 0.
Question B1. Calculate the cost of a first class ticket and the cost of an economy ticket. So first class ticket, the premium ticket is 114. So FC, which is first class, we'll just call it F over P will equal to, P is 114, we've established that. 114 is equivalent to 14 over first class over premium, which is 6. So F is 14 over 6 multiply 114, which is 226. And next, economy. E over 114 is equivalent to 5 to 6. So economy is, wait, Johnny, I need the calculation. 5 over 6 times 114, which is 95. 95, 226 and 95.
Okay, for questions...
Oh, I need to do B2.
Oh yeah.
The cost of a premium ticket is reduced 114 to 96.9. Calculate the percentage reduction in the cost of the ticket. Okay, so 114 multiplied, since it's a percentage reduction, 1 minus x over 100, which will give us 96.9. Negative x over 100 is 96.9 over 114 minus 1. So positive x, so x over 100 is 0.15. X is 15.
Okay, for question C. When the local time in Athens is 9 o'clock, the local time in Berlin is 8 o'clock. A plane leaves at Athens at 13:15. It arrives at Berlin at 15:05 local time. So that means for Athens, Berlin would be basically Berlin plus 1. So for Athens it would be at 16:05. So 16:05 minus 13:15. We'll split it apart. 13 and 15, 16 and 05 minus. Okay, so this one would be 50 minus 5, which is 10. So it takes 10 minutes and X hours. Okay, so 3 minus 6 is... No, I did it the wrong side. So it's 16:05 minus 13:15. So 5 minus 15, 5 minus 15 plus 60 is 50. So we have to minus 1 here. 6 minus 3 is 3, minus 1 is 2. And then this one, 1 minus 1 is 0. So it's 2 hours 50 minutes. 2 hours 50 minutes.
Okay.
Question C.
Huh?
C2.
Oh, yeah.
Question C2. The distance the plane flies from Athens to Berlin is 1,802 kilometers. Calculate the average speed of the plane and give your answer in kilometers per hour. So it's 1802 over 256, which is 1802 divide 256, which is 636.
Question 3a. On average, the women spend less time exercising than men. So, women spend less time exercising than men. This is, spent less time exercising. Less time. Okay, so we all know median is the middle number. It's the average, right? It's the middle.
Number.
Yeah. So this over here is the median. So women spend less time exercising than men. It's disagree. This is because women have higher median than men. Next, the times for the women show less variation than the time for the men. Okay, so this is times for show less variation. This is disagree again. This is because up here, this is the interquartile range here. This side subtract this side. Okay, so the interquartile range for women is higher, meaning women vary more. And it says here women show less variation. They vary less, which is false. So again, women have higher interquartile range. It's called an interquartile.
Actually, it's rich.
What?
Just rich. Zero.
I mean, it also has a higher range, so yeah, sure, range also counts. Higher range.
Okay, for question B, the frequency table shows the times t minutes each of 100 children spend exercising in 1 week. Calculate an estimate of the mean time. Okay, so first we'll put the average. Here's 30, 80, and then here is 130. Here is 190. Okay. Yeah. And then here is 270. And then we calculate the bottom part, which is TF. Basically time times the frequency. TF. 30 times 41 is 1230. 80 times 24 is 190. 130 times 23 is 2990. 190 times 8 is 1520. 270 times 4 is 1080. Okay, now once we got that, we just add them all over, all of them up. 1230 plus 1920 plus 3990 plus 1520 plus 1080. Divide 100. The cost. Yeah. And then 1230 plus 1920 plus 2990 plus 1520 plus 1080 divide 100. That would give us 87.4. Question B2. The information in the frequency table is shown in this cumulative frequency diagram. 2a. Use the cumulative frequency diagram to find an estimate of 8, the 60th percentile. 60 out of 100. So it's in between 60 and 120, which is 90. More than 3 hours. 3 times 60 is 180. Because this is in minutes. Okay, so this is. So there's 10 blocks in 20. So each represents 2. Yep. So this is 90 and 92. 100 minus 92 is 8. And then for question B3, a histogram is drawn to show the information in the frequency table. The height of the bar for the interval 60 to 100 is 10.8. Calculate the height of the bar for the interval 160 to 221. H equals to, let's see if we can get anything from 60 to 100. Height times the range equals to F. Height equals to frequency over range. So height is equal to frequency 160 to 2308 over the range, which is wait, it's times 18. So it's 8 over 60 times 18, which is 2.4.
For A rectangle measures 8.5 centimeters by 10.7 centimeters, both corrected to one decimal place. Calculate the upper bound of this perimeter. Okay, so the upper bound of this perimeter is 8.55 because it's rounded to one decimal place. 2 8.55s plus 2 10.75s. Well, supposedly it's 4.9 repeating, which rounds to 5.5. Yeah, so then that will equal 2 times 8.55 plus 2 10.75, 38.6.
Okay, for question 4b, ABDF is a parallelogram and BCDE is straight line. Yep. AF equals to 12 and AB equals to 9. Angle CFD equals to 40 and angle FDE is 80. Calculate the height h of the parallelogram. So, here is 9, here is h, 90 degrees, 80. Okay, so all we need to do sine 80 equals to h divide 9. H equals to 9 sine 80, which is 8.86 stop 0.863. Question B2. Explain why triangle CDF is isosceles. So here must be 100. And then here must be 40 in order to add it all up. It has two same angles, meaning two same side lengths. Okay, for question B3, calculate the area of trapezium ABCF. So we know H is 9 sine 80. So first we need to find this part. Which is 9. No. Yeah, we need to find this part. No, we don't need to. 9, 9. So that means this would be 3, which is 12 minus 9. Yep, 3. So that means it would be 3 plus 12 divided 2 times 9 sine 80. So 3 plus 12 divided 2 times 9 sine 80 is equal to 66.47.
Question C, calculate the area of the circle. Okay, so firstly, we've got two of these little triangles. So this angle is equivalent to this angle, which is 21. This is a diameter, which creates a triangle, and meaning this is 90 degrees. Okay. And this is x we're trying to find. X equals to 2r. R equals to half x. X equals to, so wait, actually let's just use 2r. 2r equals to 12 over cosine 21. So r is 12 over cosine 21, 12.85. Wait, no, that's 2r. So r is 6.43. Okay, and with that in mind, pi r squared, or r is rounded, so I'm still using r. Pi r squared is pi answer squared on the calculator 129.8. 129.8.
Okay, for question D, the diagram shows a square with side length of 8 centimeters and a sector of a circle with radius of 9.5 cm and sector angle x. The perimeter of the square is equal to the perimeter of the sector. Calculate the value of x. Okay, so this is 8, and then so the area is 64, and no, the perimeter is equal. So 8 times 4, 32. So here is 9.5, and here's 13. Okay, so x over 360 equals to 13 over 19 pi, which is 2 pi. X equal to 13 over 19 pi times 360, which is 13 divided 19 pi times 360. 78.4.
Question, I went past the question. 5a. 1. Solve fx equals to 14. Basically, y is fx, y equals to 14. Yeah. So at 14, over here, y equals to 14. Then from that, match straight down. Yeah. And that is x. Oh yeah, I went 2 down, but doesn't matter. Still touch the x-axis. This is 2.1, 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, 2.75, around there. 2.75. By drawing a suitable tangent, find an estimate of the gradient of the graph at the point -2, 4. -2, 4, which is over here. Ruler. You need to use ruler to ruler things. If you want to rule the world, you need a ruler. It is necessary. It's a necessity if you want to rule worlds. Yeah, okay, good. So now I have this. So -2 to 4. Okay, we'll do something like this. -2 to 4. This is a definite 2. This is an up slope. And then it sort of touches 20. So this is the gap of 16. 16 divided 2 is 8, so the slope is 8.
Okay.
A tree. By drawing a suitable straight line on the grid to solve fx equals to 2. Oh wait, y equals to 2x minus 2. So y equals to 2x minus 2. Y equals to 2x minus 2. So y intersects at negative 2. And x, when y is 0, x is 1. X is 1 over here. And then I'll just draw the slope. Johnny, read out the question to me again.
By drawing suitable straight line on grid.
What?
Wait, which question are you doing? Tree, right?
Yeah, tree.
By drawing suitable straight line on the grid, solve fx equals to 2x minus 2.
How many? Oh, there's only one answer. Very well. Because it touches this point. Find x, right?
Yes.
The question say find x. Good. So it intersects this part of the graph. So from there we join upwards the x coordinate. That's negative 2.85. Negative 2.85. B.
Okay,
B.
for question B, the diagram shows the curve of the equation y equals to 2x squared minus 2x minus 7. The straight line of the equation y equals to 3x plus 5 intersects the curve at points A and B. Find the coordinates of points A and B. So first we find A or B. So we know that 2x squared minus 2x minus 7 equals to 3x plus 5. So 2x squared minus 5x minus 12 equals to 0. Then we factorize 2x plus 2x minus. Okay, so try x and 2. Yep. 6 minus 4 is 5. 3, 4. Yes, that can work. So x is either negative 3/2, which is definitely at the B side, or x is 4, which is at the A side. And then we just replace into any equations. I prefer this equation since it's much easier. 3x plus 5 y equals to 3, 4 plus 5, which is 17. Next one, y equals to 3, negative 3/2 plus 5, which is 0.5. But I put it in fraction since the other one's fraction too.
681. Calculate angle BCD and shows that it rounds to 106. BCD. Oh, I'm gonna have to do cosine law. Theta. So basically 160. Oh wait, no, not yet. Same thing, but on the other side. Theta. Oh well. 190. Oh wait, no, that's the wrong side. 287.9 squared equals to 192 squared plus 168 squared minus 292 times 168 cosine theta. Same thing basically. So then eventually you'll get theta as, okay, you should do it in the calculator montage thing. 168. Okay, 6, 4, 5, 1, 2. Never mind, not all calculators. cosine theta equals 192 squared plus 168 squared minus 287.9 squared negative 17798.41. Theta is divided by 64512. Oh wait, no wait. Cosine negative 17798.41 divided by 64512 cosine 106.02, which runs 106.0. You can put an arrow sign and says 106.0 and then do double line and then done. The bearing of D from B is 38. Okay. Find the bearing of C from B, which is this angle, C from B. Oh no, it's the other way. It's this side. So first we find this angle. Okay, 100 theta minus 38 is the angle. Okay, so then 316 minus this, what's that? 291.98. 291.98 will then be the answer, therefore 360 minus, this is the workout, minus theta minus 38. Make sure you put bracket. A is due east of B, meaning this is 90 degrees.
Right.
And calculate the bearing of D from A, which means this way. Okay, find that angle. Okay, so firstly, this is A for angle. Okay, I'm gonna put the working over here. So this is 19 minus 38, which is 52. So A equals to arc sine 205.8 over 168. Wait, no, I did it wrong. Wait. Sine 52 over 205.8 times 168 with the brackets. A is arc sine 52 over 205.8 times 168, which is 40.04. A is 40.04. Now this is a 90 degree, 90 and 180 degrees, so that will be 270 degrees. 270 minus A is, well, actually 270 plus A. Okay, 270 minus 4 plus 40.04, which, okay, so the bearing is 310.04 with a 3.
Okay, for question B1, calculate the area of triangle BCD. BCD. Number what was?
Well, what was what?
Oh, never mind.
What was
BCD. CBD is 106.
Oh, BCD I absolutely calculated. Darn. If only I never erased that calculation. Because I absolutely calculated BCD. Anyways, go ahead.
CBD. Okay, so 192 times 168. Okay, times sine 106.02 equals to half times. So that would be 192. 15,000 and 15,501.7 15501.7. Question B2. Thomas buys the triangular part of the field BCD. The cost is 35,750 per hectare. Calculate the amount he pays. Give your answer correct to the nearest $100. Important stuff. Okay. So 1 hectare is 10,000 meters. 35750 per 100,000 meters squared. So it is it's $3.575 per meter squared. Now we just multiply that by that 15501.7, which is equal to times half that would give 55400. 55400.
Question 7a. Okay, number of white boxes is 25. This is this is 36. This is 1, 3. Wait, why can't I just count? Oh wait, no, I can't count because it's not there.
And you could create it.
You
could create it.
I could. But it's time consuming. Whatever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Oh wait. Okay, there has to be a quicker alternate way. total number of black dots. Say black dots. Wait, why was I counting the white dots? Oh, I get. Oh, so 3. Then there's 6. Then the next is 6 plus 6. Oh. Okay, so 6 plus 4. So next is 10, then 15. 10, then 50. Okay, so this is 35. Quick math. This is 51.
I found it.
Quick math.
No, never mind.
I did quick math. What were you doing?
No, never mind.
Yeah, okay, your turn to do 3B.
Okay. Write an expression in terms of n, ignore that. In terms of n for the number of white dots in diagram n. Okay, that's pretty easy. It's just n squared.
Oh no, now I'm gonna have to do 7C1 and 7C2. Find the total number of dots in diagram. Total number of dots in diagram n is half 3n squared minus n. So half 3 times diagram 8. 3 times 8 squared minus 8 is 92. Oh, wrong column again. Give your answer in simplest form in the expressive equation black dots. So half 3n squared minus n squared will give you the expression for black dots. Wait, why do I? No, it's half now. Haha. Equals to 3 half n squared minus half n minus n squared, which equals to half n squared minus half n. So it's half n squared minus n, or half n squared minus half n. But that takes longer to write, so.
Okay, because for question D, T is the total number of dots used to make all of the first n diagrams. T equal to an cubed plus bn squared. Find the value of a and the value of b. You must show all your working. So when n equals to 1, a plus b equals to 1. When n equals to 2, 8a plus 4b equals to 5 plus 1 is 6. So then this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Equation 1 multiply 4. 4a plus 4b equals to 4. That's equation 3. So now we take equation 2 minus equation 3 for a positive number. 4a equals to 6 minus 4, 2. A equals to half. That means B equals to 1 minus half, which is half.
A factorized completely. So we know there's an A and a B. So it will become AB bracket 3A minus B. AB 3 minus B. 3A minus B. Yeah. Johnny, it's your turn.
Okay, question 8b. 3x plus 12 is smaller than 5x minus 3. Okay, back to number 19. 12 plus 3, which is 15. is smaller than 5x minus 2x. So x is bigger than 15 divided by 2, which is 7.5.
8c, simplify. So 27 x to the power of 6, y to the power of 12. 27x 6, y 12.
Okay, for question D, solve 2 divide x equals to...
Go on, hurry up.
Okay, for question D, solve 2 divide x equals to 6 over 2 minus x. Okay, so 6 over 2 minus x minus 2 divide x equals to 0. 2x minus x squared at the bottom part. 6x minus 4 plus 2x, because it's minus minus, equals to 0. Then we can multiply everything. 6x minus 4 plus 2x, we'll multiply the denominator, equals to 0. 8x equals to 4. X equals to 0.5.
Question E, expand and simplify. So we'll do this part first. X squared plus 3x minus 10 multiply to x minus 1, which equals to 2x cubed plus 3x times 2x plus 6x plus minus 20x. Oh wait, this is 6x squared. Minus 20x minus x squared minus 3x plus 10, which is 2x cubed plus 5x squared minus 17x plus 10. Okay.
Sure, it's 17x.
Huh? Yes. What did you get? Oh wait, no.
It's 7x.
I meant to say 23x minus 23x. 2x cubed plus 5x squared minus 23x plus 10. Okay, done. F, go.
Okay, for question F, I will invest 200 at a rate of 5% per year compound interest. After 2 years, the value of his investment is 206.46. Show that r squared plus 200r minus 3 to 3 equals to 0. So first 200 times 1 plus r over 100 to the power of 2 equals to 206.46. 200 times 1 plus 2r times 1 plus r over 100 equals to equals to 200 plus 2r plus 2r plus 2r squared over 100 equal to 206.46. $200 plus 4r plus 2r squared over 100 equal to 206.46. Then we multiply everything by 100. Then we divide everything by 2. That gives r squared plus 200r plus 10000 equal to 10323. Right? 206.6. Yep, 10323. And then we move that to the left side. So that gives r squared plus 200r plus 10,000 minus 10,333. That would give minus 323 equal to 0. Solve. Question F2. Solve the equation r squared plus 200r equal minus 323 equals to 0. Find the rate of interest. Show all your working and give your answer correct to 2 decimal places. They said correct to 2 decimal places, so you have to use the quadratic formula. Negative b's plus minus third b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And then for the positive side, it would be negative 200 plus b squared for 200 squared is 40,000 minus 4 1c negative 323. Divide 2a, which is 2, which is equal to negative 200 plus 40,000 minus 4 1 negative 323 divide 2 1.602, but you want 2 decimals, so it's 1.60, and just to prove that it's answer squared plus 200 answers minus 323 0. Yep. And then for the negative side, it's negative 200 minus 70,000 minus 4 1 negative 323 over 2, which is negative 200 minus 40,000 minus 4 1 negative 323 divide 2. Negative 201.60 plus 200 answer minus 0. But then we need to put the positive side.
Okay. So for question 9a, 32 students in class, 5 do not study languages. Hope they study English though. 15 study German, 18 study Spanish. 32 minus 5 is 27. So this is A, B, and C just for algebra reasons. A plus B plus C equals to 27. A plus B is 15 and C plus B is 18. So this is 1, 2, and 3. Now we can use substitution or elimination in this case. Now normally I would use elimination, but I can also use substitution. A is equivalent, but Johnny, look here. This is big green. This is A and B. So A and B is 15. C is 27 minus 15. 12. So A is 12.
Oh yeah.
Wait, is it though? Wait, A plus B. Oh wait, no, that's C. C is 12. C is 12. So C is 12. Rub up. Oh, what happened? What happened? What happened? C is 12. And then A is, so C and B is 18. 27 minus 18 is 9. So B is 9 plus. Okay, so B is, what is B? So we know C is 12, A is 9. So then B is 12, 27 minus 12 minus 9, which is 6. Or you could just take 6 plus 15 minus 9, which is 6, and 18 minus 12, which is also 6, and then you'll find the in-between since they both share the same numbers. But anyway, a student is chosen at random. The probability that the student studies Spanish but not German. Spanish but not German. 12 over 32. Hashtag not in simplest form. A student whose study is German is chosen at random. Find the probability is also study Spanish. Okay, so this is a conditional question. 6 out of 9.
No.
Oh wait, no, 6 out of what was it? 15. Also known as mental math. 3 out of 5. Did I get it wrong? Oh, wait, 6 out of 15. Oh, 12 out of 5. Mental math. B!
B. A bag contains 54 red marbles and some blue marbles. 36% of the marbles in the bag are red. Find the number of blue marbles in the bag. So, 54 divide x plus 54 times 100 equals to 36. 54 over x plus 54 equals to 0.36. X plus 54 equals to 54 divided 0.36. X equals to 54 over 0.36. Plus 54, which is 204. No. $96. 54 divided by 0.36.
Johnny?
Oh, Brandon.
Okay, So you're gonna change your answer?
Yes.
Okay.
It's minus 54.
Bruh, wait, did you mess up calculation? C1. Find the probability she picks 2 red beads. Oh, alright. Red beads, 15 out of 25 multiply 14 out of 24, which is 15 out of 25.
Hey, with replacement.
Say what? Dun dun. Squared. 15 over 25 squared. 9 out of 25. Back. 1 minus probability she does not pick 2 with beads. 1 minus 9 out of 25. 1 minus answer. What is it? 16 out of 25. 16 out of 25. Okay, good.
Okay, for question D, a box contains 15 red pencils, 8 yellow pencils, and 2 green pencils. 2 pencils are picked at random without replacement. Find the probability that at least 1 pencil is red. At least. So it's either 15 divided 24 times 14 over 20. It's either 15 over 25 times 14 over 24 plus. Okay, so then we do green and red, but there could be 2 possibilities. It could be red or red and green. So it's multiplied 2. So it's 8/25 times 15/24 plus 2 again, green, 2/25, and then red, 15 over 25, which is equal to that's 24. 15 over 24. Which is 17 divided 20.
Okay. Question 10A1. Find the coordinates of point A, B, and C. Okay. So assume y is 0. Assume y is 0. Then we can find A and B. Because A and B, the y coordinates are 0. So x plus this and x minus this equals to 0. 4, wait, actually no, 4, oh wait. Yeah, 4 and 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. 4 times minus 1 is negative 4. So A has to be negative number, so it's negative 4, and B has to be positive, which is 1. Then C is at the y-axis, so x is definitely 0. And the y value is the intersection point, aka negative 4. Yeah. Differentiate this. Oh. This will be 2x plus 3 plus minus 0. So 2x plus 3 basically. Next, find the equation of the tangent to the curve at point 2,6. Okay, so 2, that's the x value. So 2 times 2 plus 3 is 7. Y equals to 7x plus c. So 6 minus 14 equals to C, which equals to negative 8. So it'll become y equals to 7x minus 8.
Okay, for question D, on the diagram, sketch the graph of y equal to tangent x. So tangent 0 is at 0. Tangent 90. Oh, that's my friend. How about tangent 80? Okay, so it goes higher and higher. Tangent 89. Yep, confirm goes higher. So it's somewhere here. So it looks something like this. And then 91. Tangent 91.
Johnny, I think it's too close to touching. The examiners will see this.
No.
Good. I think, never mind, whatever.
And then tangent 91 is negative. So it should be somewhere here. And then here. And then it's basically a repeat. No. Ta-da! Oh. It's done. Too much. Okay, enough.
You can't zoom in a real exam.
Question B2. Solve the equation 5 tangent x equals to negative 7. So tangent x equals to negative 7/5. X equals to 305.5.
Huh? No. Oh, yeah, continue.
Or x equals to 270 plus 1.
No.
270 minus.
I'll sort of exceed. That would become negative. So, Johnny, you know our tangent x, right?
Yeah.
The tangent x, so then arctangent negative 5/7.
Yeah.
So
Negative
it's
7/5.
x plus 180.
Oh, so it's answer is 1. 125.
Yeah.
Let's see. Yep. It's either 305.5 or 125.5. Okay, be careful here. You can't have a negative number or a number bigger than 360. And